So should you close your probate formally or informally? In Minnesota, you have both options, and there's different benefits and detriments to both of them. And I'm going to outline that today in this video. So if you are to the point in the probate where you've collected all the assets, you've paid all the debts, and you prepared the inventory and final account, then you may be ready to start closing up shop and distributing assets. And if you're closing formally, generally what you have to do is you have to file that inventory and final account with the court. And you have to petition the court to have a hearing on the final account approving it. And in tandem to that, you may also have the beneficiaries sign a consent to the final account, saying that they're in agreement with it, there's no issues. And if you get that consent from all the different beneficiaries, the court may waive having a hearing on the final account and proposed distribution. But that's in their discretion. And then, depending upon what happens there, you can distribute out assets and then submit a petition to close the probate. And the court, again, can decide to have that next hearing or not, depending upon its discretion. And so there are multiple court hearings involved if you need to close formally. The benefit of closing formally is the court is reviewing your actions and determining that you acted appropriate. It acts as protection if later on a beneficiary were to come back and said you did something wrong. That is a benefit of closing formally, but it takes more time, generally more legal expenses because there's more court hearings. And I wanted to say that if you open your probate formal supervised, that's one way to open up probate, it's formal supervised, you don't get an option here. You have to close formally, okay? But if you open it the other two ways, either informal or formal unsupervised, then you can close the probate informally. And with informal probate closing, you sign a statement to close probate saying that you have provided the beneficiaries the inventory and final account, you've paid all the debts of the decedent, and you've distributed out all the assets of the estate, you've filed all the final tax returns, and so now you're ready to close probate. And so you just file that statement with the court doesn't review your actions, and that statement in itself closes probate. So that's the summary on your options you have when you close probate.